Okay, so we are now moved to the final contents for this seminar, okay, which is I will cover on how to get the online articles using open access database. Okay, I'm not sure, I think you are aware that we have so many open access database, which is you actually can freely access to it. You don't have to insert any password, you don't have to subscribe or everything. Okay, what you have to do, you have to go to the main library website again. Okay, I end up edu.my/division/lib library, and then you have to click on research gateway. Okay, once you click, it will bring you to this page. Okay, and then from here you can see there is an open access button here. Okay, so you can see open access resources. There will be a list of open access online database or resources. Okay, for this seminar I want to cover on the open access name core, which is this one. Okay, this is the main interface for core. Like I said before, every single database will have different layout. Okay, for this core, this is the layout, but they will have same function, which is they provide you the basic search, the search box here, and then they provide you the advanced search. I want to search for nanotechnology in water and wastewater, and then I click search. They give you the result which totals of million something. Because what you have to remember, this is open access. Okay, it will consist from various kind of sources, various kinds of languages. Up until to this number, you can actually filter by using this limitation button to refine your search. Like I said, like the same function at the IEEE just now, you can always move around this cursor and filter the year that you want. The results consist from 2017, 2018, 2016. Yes, so it is very considerable to the updated and most recent publication. Okay, what about the languages? Yes, you also can use it to filter the language. Let's say you want only for English articles, then you just click English. Okay, you have limit your search by year, and then you also limit your search by English language only. Now I want to show you how to save or download these documents or articles. Okay, let's say I think that this one is very suitable for me and I want to save it, then I straight away can click to get PDF. Okay, not only me, you also are encouraged to do the same. Okay, so after you click get PDF just now, it will bring to this kind of page. Okay, you see this button here, then you can see there download document. You actually can download it straight away. This can be one of your reference for your assignment. This one is the print button. We're done with the basic search for core. So for this time, I want to use the quotation marks for my searching, like this one. Same example, but I put nanotechnology in water and wastewater in quotation mark. Okay, let's see how many results I will get. There are only 154 articles found, okay, which consists of the year 2013 until 2020 and various languages. What I'm telling you is, if you are using quotation marks, okay, in your searching, the system, it will detect nanotechnology in water and wastewater as a phrase. Okay, if you are not using the quotation mark, the system will read it nanotechnology in water and wastewater. Everything that in the article consists of nanotechnology, water and wastewater, it will give you the result. That's why just now the previous searching, it tells you the number of articles found is very numerous. You can use advanced search as well. You can use the Boolean operators and or not as well. But for this time, I will not show for this one because I already cover on IEEE. Just last but not least, I want to show you. Later, I will upload this video seminar in the official IIUM Library YouTube channel. From here, you can see there are few videos for you to get access to our services and collections. Okay, so please like and subscribe our YouTube channel and share to your colleague. Thank you so much for your time for this seminar. Hopefully, you will get something from this video. Thank you.